Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, I'm going to reveal to you a simple trick how you can add hanging indents to your documents on Google Docs. For example, if you're working on a research paper or study or academic text, just like that. It is super simple, guys. So make sure you follow my instructions, drop a like, and now let us get started. So let's say you have a text like this here for demonstration purposes. All you will need to do, guys, is highlight the text you would like to add hanging indents to, just like this. And after that, click on Format here from the top menu of tabs and hover your mouse over Align and Indent. Here to the right, select Indentation Options from that menu. And in the last step, guys, make sure that you click on that arrow down icon here where it says Special Indent and select Hanging. Here to the right, select the level or the grade of the indentation, like for example 1, 2 or 5. Let me go with 1 for demonstration purposes and confirm by clicking on Apply here, and that's basically it. Now the hanging indent has been applied to your document, and that's basically it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.